Hi, it's Janet. I'm here with a beauty video. I've been very curious about this brand. I've seen a lot of chit chat online about it and I was wondering, is this legit? And that brand is Beauty Pie. So I joined the membership club and I placed a fairly large order and we're gonna see what the deal is right here, right now. And in case you're wondering, I normally shoot sewing and crafts video in this space, but it has the best lighting and it's already set up. So we're gonna go with it. Now, if you don't know about this brand, from what I understand, it's sort of the Sam's Club of beauty. The founder is the same woman who's behind Bliss Spas and Soap and Glory, two pretty well-known brands. And the business model is kind of interesting. You pay to join the membership club and then you get discounted products. The brand creates their own private label products, and apparently Beauty Pie uses the same labs and manufacturing facilities as quote-unquote higher-end luxury brands, so they kind of imply that the quality is similar or on par to all of the well-known brands. And they do have products made in different countries, like I've seen stuff made in Italy, Korea, France. So they kind of say where it's made. As of right now, the membership is $59 a year, but you can also do a 30-day free trial if you're not sure about it and you just want to test it out. There's also like this spending cap on how much you can buy, but it's something insane like $3,000. So most people probably aren't going to spend more than $3,000 from one website in a year, I'm thinking. So that should be enough for most people. I found this random deal online. It's not really advertised on the website, but I was still able to get it, where I could get the membership plus a 4-pack of different products for $99. So that's what I did. As I'm talking about each product, I will also be listing the price just so you know. But the brand seems pretty transparent. I've seen some comments online like it's a scam or an MLM or something. I'm not really getting that vibe. They seem pretty upfront with the business model, and I personally don't have a problem with it, especially since you can try everything out with the 30-day trial membership. You do have to use a credit card though, so if you do want to cancel, just make sure to actually go ahead and cancel it because it will auto-renew. It's one of those. Eco-friendly inks, cruelty-free, clean beauty, and they use recycled cardboard. And then it's got their logo. It says, "Happiness is Beauty Pie." Wow, they really want you to post stuff on Instagram. Post your beauty pie, don't forget, with hashtag #ILoveBeautyPie. Thank you for the reminder. They're really trying to get their customers to do their marketing for them. The shipping did take about a week. I do live in the United States, just so you know. Super cute packaging. I'm loving this. I'll kind of separate what came in that 4-pack set and then what else I picked up besides that. They have quite a few different collections. So there's one called Japan Fusion, one called PLANTASTIC. They have an anti-aging line. Lots of stuff. They've got skincare, hair, makeup, little accessories. Wow, lots of stuff in here. I feel like I'm at a bridal shower or something. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for everything in here. I think I spent about 170 bucks. Thought I'd go ahead and shoot this unboxing since I already had my makeup done because I just got home from something else. And I managed to stop at McDonald's and get their seasonal pumpkin iced coffee. Here are those 4 products that came in the starter kit. They are the Beauty Pie Super Healthy Skin Ultimate Anti-Aging Cream with plant bioactives and hyaluronic acid. The SUPERDOSE Vitamin C Biovitamin Brightening Body Lotion with absorbic acid glucoside, vitamin C, tranexamic acid, and calperianic brown seaweed. Where do they come up with this stuff? I don't even know. Japan Fusion Pure Transforming Cleanser. Gentle and traceless perfect makeup cleansing with antioxidant, vitamin C, and grape polyphenols. Isn't that sexy, guys? PLANTASTIC Micropeeling Super Drops with pore refining fruit smoothers and salicylic acid. I am a big salicylic acid girl. I do use a toner with salicylic acid. My skin is super duper oily and it's also very prone to breakouts. And it's pretty sensitive. A lot of products make me break out. I will be testing this stuff out over the next few months. And then if there's anything you want me to do some sort of in-depth review or update on, let me know below in the comments. Also, I'd love to hear from you if you've tried Beauty Pie, the good, the bad, the ugly. I've heard some like so-so things about the products. I've heard some good things. I know there are some things that people consider dupes for higher-end beauty products. So that's cool. All right, so these are the PLANTASTIC Micropeeling Super Drops. I do like a good serum. I currently got my serum from this company called Misha. It's like Miss H-A. It's Korean brand. I do use their like nighttime drops, whatever they are. And I use a lot of CeraVe products. That seems to be something that doesn't break me out. For makeup, I've been using quite a bit of Bobbi Brown, but Laura Mercier also doesn't make me break out. So today I'm wearing the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer, and that's been wearing okay. I use Laura Mercier setting powder, Super Healthy Skin Anti-Aging Cream. Let's see what this looks like. Even though this is more of a private label brand, the packaging is really high-end feeling, has a luxury look to it. Oh, and it's got the little like plastic separator thingy here. They did spend some cash on the packaging. Okay, ooh, that looks super creamy. I'm kind of excited to try that. My skin has been really oily, but also like kind of flaky at the same time, if that makes any sense. Here, I'll put a little bit on my hand so you can sort of see. That feels nice. It doesn't feel super greasy. I might try this maybe tonight. Around the time of the month, my skin gets some hormonal breakouts. I've been using some skincare products that make my skin peel like glycolic acid, so my skin's been really flaky lately. I love this glass jar with the dropper packaging. This is what this looks like. This is the PLANTASTIC micro-peeling, so all right, we'll see how that works. The reviews on this product were really good, so I'm kind of excited about this. This is the Vitamin C Brightening Body Lotion. So that's what it looks like in the jar. It's not like super creamy, it's more like a gel. Okay, here we go. Wow, that is not what I thought it would look like. All right, yeah, that definitely feels more like a gel. It's pretty lightweight. I think this would be good for like hot weather, or like if you're in a more humid climate like I am in Florida, something like that. And then the last product in that starter kit was the JAPANFUSION Pure Transforming Cleanser. Wow, yeah, this packaging is super nice. And quite honestly, with the club membership, I felt like the prices were still very fair. All right, JAPANFUSION, like a milky gel consistency. And there is some fragrance in some of these products, so if scents bother you, this may not be for you. All right, let me smell everything and see if it smells, okay? This one has a light scent, but it's not super overpowering. These are scented products for sure. This has a faint scent, but it's not super strong. Over here, this is everything that came in that starter kit that included the membership. And this is everything extra that I put in the cart and decided to try out. I was really excited to find this. This is called DETOX Shampoo, Super Healthy Hair, Purifying Charcoal and Apple Cider Vinegar Wash with anti-pollution moringa seed peptides. I used to use this super budget-friendly Neutrogena clarifying shampoo, and they discontinued it. It was like $4. So this was $10, so I thought, you know, hey, why not? The water in my area is so freaking hard. It's been destroying my hair and skin. This is totally dark gray, so it's pretty much what you would think. It smells sort of like pepperminty, and it's kind of invigorating. And I don't mind scents, but sometimes with the skincare products, I think it tends to irritate my skin, so I don't know. This is called Super Healthy Hair 7 Oil Hair Elixir, and I think this is a newer product for Beauty Pie. And I was curious about this because I've been color processing my hair, and sometimes I feel like it's kind of frizzy and not super smooth. So I've been on the lookout for a product that will help me with that. So that's why I was very curious about this Healthy Hair Elixir. It's got macadamia, jojoba, peach, kernel, rosehip, wheat germ, olive, and rice oils. Love the bottle. I think it looks super luxe. I think this was fairly pricey from what I remember. I'm hoping it'll kind of help with my flyaways and maybe bring some shine to my hair. I only ended up getting 3 makeup products, but I may try more in the future. I was just really curious about these 3 in particular. This is called the WONDERCOLOUR Cream Shadow Stick, and it looks like a dupe for the Laura Mercier and Bobbi Brown shadow sticks. And by the way, I did just get a mini size of the Laura Mercier shadow stick, so I will have something to compare it to. But so far, the Laura Mercier one is okay. Again, my eyelids are so oily that it's, you know, it really puts these products through the paces. This is the shadow stick in Brazillionaire. I feel like I need a good, quick solution for eyeshadow. Okay, oh, that's a pretty shade. That is nice. And it does feel to me a bit like the Laura Mercier one, which is obviously more expensive. I haven't tried the Bobbi Brown one. I've heard really good things about the Bobbi Brown stick. This is the Super Luminous Under Eye Genius Brightening Corrector. And from what I hear, this is a dupe for a Becca under eye product. And this looks pretty cool because, hey, who couldn't use brighter under eyes, right? And I got it in the shade Light Medium. It's sort of like a pale pink. Here's a swatch of it. It definitely has a little bit of glowiness to it. I'm excited to try this. You're supposed to use this over your eye cream and then under your concealer or something along those lines. Last up, we've got the Beauty Pie Future Lipstick Luxe Shine. And I saw another YouTuber review this and it looked really pretty on her. So I might just try it out right here. I am wearing a little bit of lip gloss, but maybe we'll slide this on over it. We'll see how it goes. This is a lipstick product with a shiny finish. I'm personally not that into the matte lipsticks myself, and I got it in the shade Nude Blush. I don't know if this is supposed to be a dupe for anything. What do you think? Personally, I really like that this lipstick doesn't have your typical bullet shape. I always find I'm kind of afraid of the lipstick breaking off, but because this is in the twist up tube, I don't really have to worry too much about it. Plus, I live in a super hot climate. If I bring this in my purse, there's also the risk of melting, but if it melts in the tube, it's, I guess, not as big of a deal. But it had been sitting outside my door for a while and nothing was melted. All right, my leg is falling asleep here. That's officially my first Beauty Pie haul in the books. Did I do okay? Is there something else I should have gotten? Does one of these products really suck? Let me know because I'm really curious, but I will be trying all of this stuff out and reporting back to you. Anyways, I'm Jen. If you found this at all helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I will be delving more into beauty and other product reviews, so I think that's more the direction I'm going on this channel. I know in the past I've done a lot of like super random videos, and I'm trying to get a little more focused on something. If that's your thing, you're welcome to stay. If that's not your thing, I completely understand. I'll see you guys again in the next video.